So our Power Africa initiative has been leveraging private capital to invest in electrification all across the continent. And our preliminary goal was 10,000 megawatts. Now we're looking at 30,000 megawatts, and we're well on our way.
Noneho iyo ngeze hano kuri box hari ibintu mba ngomba gukora. Ngomba gutanga morning report, mba ngomba gukupura umuriro aba welding entrepreneur bakoresha. Abayabonaga bashobora kujya kuyakura ku muhanda Nyiranzegene kandi bakoze urugendo, ariko baba bayaboneye hafi noneho kubera ko off grid box yarabegereye, noneho tukabona n'amazi meza yo kunywa. Iyo abakiriya basoje kuza gutwara amazi no kwishyura no gutwara umuriro, bitanangira gutegura ripoti y'umunsi ya nimugoroba. Icyo gihe iyo maze kuyitegura nkamara kuverifiya neza, bitanyoherereza manager, hanyuma deni nkaza kumubaza ko yamugezeho.
My name is Israel Totela, the site manager for Garusa and Sudvater wind farm. Both sites we have 35 turbines on site. They are rated at 4.2 megawatt each.
Well, I think the reason why we're interested in Africa in particular, there are a lot of reasons. One, there's a massive opportunity. There's a lot of suppressed economic potential, and it's directly related to the availability of electricity and the instability of grids. So if you can provide solutions that allow for greater stability and allow for greater access, you unlock that economic potential and that GDP growth, it happens.